was a rainy season in Bangalore, and one day it was pouring very heavily, and I was sitting in the at home, and I was seeing all my saris neatly stacked and kept untouched. It was few days or few weeks after I had already started my online business, and that's when I was just gazing at it because I was not getting more sales. I had only sold a few of them, and I was thinking, what is, did I make the wrong, I was thinking, did I make the wrong decision? Was my choice of doing business wrong? Did I make a mistake? I was so very frustrated about it. And then I was just gazing at the collection, and then I was just sipping my tea, and then a message came to my mobile. It was from one of my old friend. When I just opened that message, it said, "Thank you so much, Yeshu. It was a beautiful sari, and then I got very nice compliments when I went to the function. And my husband was also like giving me so many compliments. It was like you made my day." That's when I felt very nice about it. And that's when I realized it is not just about the business or the sales of the product. It is about the culture, um, something different. It's a feeling, it's an emotion that I'm transferring through my business. So that kept me go on and on and on. So now Mind and Vogue is like thriving well, and I'm getting good business. And if you want to learn the strategies, do attend my webinar. If you're watching this video and you are also interested in the same, and or you are also stuck or frustrated after starting your online business and need some motivation, or need to know how to overcome those, do join my webinar. The link is in the captions and also in the comments. Let's catch up in the webinar.